Hello friends, shutting down and powering on your computer are perhaps one of the easiest tasks you can do on Windows 10. So today I would like to show you how to enable slide to shut down your PC on Windows 10. Before we start, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to turn on the notifications. Now let's come back to the topic. Right click on any open spot of your Windows 10 desktop screen. Hover the cursor on New and then select Shortcut. In the Create Shortcut window, type the path in the location box and click Next to continue. You can copy the location from description. Type a name for this shortcut and click Finish to create the shortcut. To refine your shortcut, you can change the icon to something that matches its function. Now, when you want to shut down your PC, simply double-click on the shortcut icon. The lock screen will roll down halfway through the screen. Drag it down to the bottom edge of the screen to power off your PC. If you don't swipe it down for 10 seconds, it will disappear. That's it. Thank you for watching.